This little dog went to dog school every day, often being pushed around and ignored by the bigger dogs. To get the bigger dog's attention, his owner tied some balloons to his back. Initially, the other dogs noticed him, but then a mischievous dog burst them all. The little dog was sad again. To cheer him up, the owner bought even bigger balloons this time, and many more. But to his surprise, the little dog actually floated upwards. So the owner quickly tied a rope to a bigger dog to keep him safe. Then, all the dogs gathered together for a group photo. Finally, the little dog flew proudly, all eyes on him, as if he were truly a king.